If your skin isn't clear, it's probably not your products. It's how you're using them. Most people follow skincare routines, buy a ton of products, and still don't see results. And sometimes, it's not just your skincare. Your overall health can affect your skin more than you think. But what if I told you that there is a simple yet effective way you can get clear skin? And what if I told you that you didn't have to pay hundreds of dollars to follow it? So today, I'm going to show you a Korean skincare ritual that actually helps clear your skin. I say ritual, not routine, because it's not just products. There's one secret habit that must be done to help maintain good skin. Let's get into it. Now, before we get into the steps, Korean skincare focuses on gentle, hydrated skin. They don't necessarily want glass skin, but they actually want to look like an egg. First, cleansing properly. Korean skincare uses double cleansing to remove buildup without damaging your skin. But not everyone needs double cleansing. If you wear makeup, sunscreen, or workout, then double cleansing is for you. Otherwise, it's not necessary and can actually be harmful to your skin barrier. Now, let's talk about toning. Balancing your skin's pH is crucial, and Korean skincare often opts for hydrating toners to prep the skin for absorption. If you find or have products that have the following ingredients, then you target specific concerns, like acne or dark spots, with serums. Essences and serums are the superheroes of K-beauty. They deliver potent ingredients like hyaluronic acid and niacinamide deep into the skin. Apply your serum or essence after your toner and try not to put too much on. And finally, you seal everything in with moisturizer and protect your skin with sunscreen. Moisturizer is meant to be the second to last step in your routine and helps lock in the moisture of the products that you just put on your face. Sunscreen, however, should be used daily and should be at least SPF 30 to get maximum protection. This routine works because it protects your skin barrier. When your barrier is healthy, your skin holds moisture better and heals faster. However, if you do all of these things and are still struggling with achieving clear skin, then the problem may not be on the outside, but on the inside. Aside from the popular tips that people give you, managing your stress, drinking water, and getting enough sleep, there is one tip that I rarely see being talked about. So before you buy that over-the-counter treatment, let's talk about your gut. Your gut health affects inflammation, which can show up as acne or dull skin. The best way to boost your gut health is to eat fermented, prebiotic, and probiotic foods. In about a month, you should see better skin. In conclusion, clear skin isn't a routine. It's a ritual you repeat daily. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, feel free to leave them in the comments below.